Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set sale prices for products with variance. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open Shopify, then log in into your account. And here in the left side section, you can find here the products. Click on it. And now you have to select any product that has many variants. So I'm going to click on this product right here. And after you go to any product that you have, you should scroll down till you find here this section, variants. And after that, you should choose any one of these items to change its price. So I'm going to choose this one right here. And you have two sizes, the 6X large and the 3X large. And I will set a specific price here. Let's say that I will make it for only 500. And I want to make a sale price that can be compared to. So I'm going to type here any other price, and it should be higher than this price right here in order to view that this is a sale. So I'm going to type here 700, for example. And after that, you should go down, click on save, and you can do the same to the variant number 2, the 3XL size. So you just have to click on it also, and he should do the same process. I'm going to set here 400, then make it here 500. Scroll down, click on save, and now you can actually go and view your online store. Just click on this eye sign beside your online store, and it will preview your products right here. I'm just going to click on this one right here. And now here I have the two options. For the 3X large, I have it for 400 instead of 500. And for the 6X large, I have it for 500 instead of 700. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.